Hey, real quick, if somebody mentions Save Club, brain immediately goes, okay, but what is it and how does it scam me? Good. You're my kind of people. Skeptical is healthy. So I'm going to answer the 10 questions everyone asks. Quick, clear, and human. I'm Bill, and I'm not here to pitch you with jazz hands. I'm here because groceries are ridiculous. Eating out costs a small fortune, and saving money shouldn't require a PhD. Let's hit the FAQs. Number 1, Save Club helps you save money on stuff you already buy. Restaurants, shopping, travel, and often health-related benefits. Through discounts and cashback-style offers. In plain English, you keep more of your money. 2, if it is an app or a membership, is it an app or a membership? Usually both. There's an app you use and there's a membership tiers that you can unlock more. How do the savings work? Partner deals, promotions, discounts, cashback offers at participating merchants. The savings come from businesses trying to attract customers. How much does it cost? Most people want the bottom line. There's often a free app option and then paid tiers if you want more benefits. What do I get for free? Usually the free version gives you basic offers and some cashback opportunities. Paid tiers unlock more categories and bigger perks. Can I cancel anytime? Most are month to month, and yes, no hostage situation. If you can't cancel something easily, that's a red flag the size of Texas. Number 7, is there a money-back guarantee? If there is, use it. If not, do the next best thing. Try it and judge by actual savings. I'm a show-me-the-receipts guy. Number 8, is cashback guaranteed every time? No, only for participating merchants, offers, and only if you know the rules. Linked card, correct terms, correct store. Number 9, do I scan receipts? Often it's automatic once you link a card. Sometimes there are offer activation steps or receipts depending on the merchant. But a lot of it is set it up once, then go to shop like normal. Number 10, how long does cashback take? It varies. Some show up quicker, some take longer. The big takeaway, it's not instant for everything, and that's normal. If you want, I'll show you how to set it up the right way and where people are getting the best value. Message me the word SAVE or go to my link at williamfever.com/SCAPPCUS and I'll send you the simple steps and the directions to sign up. Because the goal isn't to buy more stuff, the goal is to stop paying full price for the stuff you already buy. Have a great day.